Welcome. In this video I will show you how to customize the home screen on Black Shark Pad SE. Start by holding your finger down on the empty space of your home screen, then go to Home Settings, and here we can change some things like notification dots, adding app icons to home screen, showing Google Apps, and what's most important here is that here we can enable the drawer mode, which will let us open our applications list by simply swiping up. It's a very useful feature, and I don't know why it's not enabled by default. Now, besides, we can also adjust our wallpaper and style by going to the respective option. Here we can change the wallpaper, here we can change the color style, we can enable themed icons feature and color contrast, and we can also change the grid for the applications to put more applications on a single screen, more or less. Now, the second thing that we can change is widgets. So we can add a widget to our home screen simply by selecting an application, which widget we want to add, and then selecting the widget that we like. For example, photos, and then let's use people and pets widget. Okay, we cannot yet add this one because I'm not signed in to my Google account in Photos application. So let's choose a different one. Maybe YouTube with the YouTube search. Now let's place it somewhere here. We can also resize widgets by dragging their sides and corners so that we can place more on a single page. Hopefully we can fit this one here, or at least here. And the last thing that we can change is the apps list in here, where we can basically just review the applications we have on our home screen and select the application which widget we want to add to our home screen. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.